How are you? In this video I will show you how I actually find dropshipping winning product for my clients. Okay, so I'm a dropshipping supplier. Every day I deal with lot of good dropshippers, 5 figures, 6 figures, okay, and even beginner dropshippers. So if you are beginner, no problem, just comment below beginner, then I will help you, okay, or contact me. So this will be only by meta ads, okay, by finding winning product, because meta is very trending right now. And if you are not expert in meta, so please I highly recommend just research about meta ads, how running and how to find winning product from meta ads. So that's it, okay, meta is enough. Because by meta you will get the proven data, the exactly realistic sales website or winning ad, then you can implement for your store. So first of all you will come to meta, and then for example you are choosing a specific niche of pet, because pet is very low competition niche, and it has high demand in the USA, in the Europe, or high dropshipping popular country. So very simply, just you will in here you will make a filter that all countries and then all ads, okay, and then pet owners. But some dropshippers telling that in the countries you will keep USA, okay, no problem, you can keep all countries ads, because maybe sometimes in Europe, like for example in Belgium market, a good ads running which is not running in the USA or other countries. So that's why you can keep these sections by all, okay. And then you have to come to pet owners, okay, I mean the search sections, just type in bot keywords like pet owners, okay. And after that you have to set up your filters. You can see I have check marked the only Shopify stores, okay, and go to filters. In filters you will see language is English, advertisers, all advertisers will be platform, all platform, media type will be videos, okay, and activates, and the date is not fact, okay. Just then click on apply 3 filters, okay. So apply. So after that you will see a bunch of very new upcoming ads will come, okay, as you can see. So in here we will go to very creatively that which ads is very I mean new, okay. You can see it's 17 September running ads. Then we have to one by one check every dropshipping videos, okay. So for example this is a Shopify store. Every you can see every pages has a Shopify icon, okay. So because we have check marked the Shopify, and then we will see which video is performing well, and every pages have shop now options. So this is also good. Just click on these videos, so we will see that yeah, this is the paid products of, like, if your dog's post smells like cheese or they lick them, it could be due to yeast image, okay. So in here you will also get a lot of keyword. Yeah, for example I will dogs post, okay. So just click on this keyword, and then come to another tab or duplicate tab. Then for example this is the dogs post keyword. You can see 8,000 plus ad running, okay, by this keyword. So this dog niche is very huge niche, and if you only target for the dogs, you will definitely get lot of products. So in here we will see a lot of ad products, okay. And then after that we will come to a store that I found already, which is selling a, yeah, probiotic of gut chews, tasty chews made with powder extract, okay. This is also a good dog products. So we will go to trend track, and we will see that wait, one moment, we will. So my friend, this is the competitor store, and they are selling that tasty chews made with power packed probiotics for dogs, okay. And if we go to down and if we analyze this whole Shopify store, then we will get a lot of knowledge. This is mainly a Indian store. I will show you that, okay. This is the stores, and their traffic, oh my god, last month was 30,000, and this month, I mean, in the previous month of July, which is 71,000, which is 100 to 22%. Okay, so it means this is a good winning product. Okay, so we can definitely test this product. So this is the video in the website that we can see.
12 strains of probiotics. This is a probiotic chew for dogs. You will be mind blown how much your dog's gut needs probiotics. You see, their gut is always fighting. In this fight, your dog loses good gut bacteria, causing scratching, paw licking, head shaking, and more.
Okay,
Enter.
this is a mainly a dog's health products, and which pet owners are feeling a lot of problems by their dogs. And this is the dog's gut of, I mean, which is dogs like feeling regularly health problem or food problem or belly problem. For these products is the best. Okay, eat balance your dog's gut health, yes, so your pet can have healthy digestion, skin and coat. Okay, and in the bottom we can see here is the review. Okay, lot of review. Okay, in the bottom, very good pictures. Okay, country is local stores. Okay, in the bottom, after bottom, real testimonials they kept. Okay, so my friend, you can see that we started at pet owners keywords, and then deeply we go to like dog pose. Okay, and then we found this product. Okay, I mean this one. Okay, so you have to be very creative in meta ads. This is the simple strategy. When you will start day by day, you will get a lot of experience, knowledge, and you will find lot of ways how deeply you can creatively search. Okay, so my friend, that's it. So this is the systems I find winning product for my clients. Okay, so if you need also help, just comment below, just contact me, I will help you. Okay, so my friend,